Hi friends, I'm Error Slayer and today I'll show you how to generate a QR code for Google Forms. First, open the form file you prepared. Then click the link button in the upper right corner. First, check the shorten URL box, then click copy. Then go to the canva.com website to generate a QR code. You can also use alternative websites, it's entirely up to you. If you're going to use Canva, follow my steps. First, click the Create button in the left menu. Click on Custom Size. Enter 1080 on both sides and click Create New Design. Then click on Apps in the left menu. Type QR code into the search bar and press Enter. Click the first one. Paste the Google Forms link you copied here. You can also change properties like background color and margin by clicking Customize. Once everything is ready, click Generate Code. Press and hold the generated QR code on its edges to fit it across the entire design. To download the QR code you generated, click the Share button in the upper right corner. Then click Download. Click Download again. I hope this tutorial video on how to generate QR codes for Google Forms was helpful. If so, please subscribe to the Error Slayer YouTube channel and like the video. Have a nice day.